Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Hyo-seop and Sung-kyung's fortune harmony analysis. The main characters of the drama, Hyo-seop and Sung-kyung, seems to be out of sync, but there were many parts that fit well. It's about 80% right. Their fortunes, which were full of individuality, were very different from each other. But there are many things that could create empathy. I analyzed it at the request of a YouTube subscriber, so I'll analyze it together. Hyo-seop on the left is a mountain with a large ladder pointing to himself. Large mountains serve as the center of everywhere. He gives everyone faith that they can trust and rely on, but it also has a solemnity that is hard to approach. Sung-kyung on the right is a candor with a lot of thought and warm heart. Stage 1 is a good meeting, because it is the energy that makes the big mountain warm. Right below the letter referring to themselves is their heart for their spouse. Hyo-seop wants a charismatic woman, recognize herself as a woman who can lead him. Sung-kyung recognizes her spouse as cute and lovely and someone she could take care of. Sung-kyung is also a good compliment, but even if she's not charismatic, she seems to be able to appeal to Hyo-seop well. Hyo-seop is a kind person, and this seems to appeal well to Sung-kyung. Their feelings for their spouse may not be completely consistent, but I can see that they work well to some extent. Hyo-seop on the left is seen as being recognized for his artistry. These are the words expressed as a union consisting of those ingredients that make him loving personality and that his acting is recognized. He's a very good actor. He shows a lot of coolness in his daily life with fast decision making. He's a fast-paced, actionable man, and he moves fast at everything. However, the picture shows the relationship between his real spouse and him in a cloudy manner. When they meet, there is a bit of a quarrel, and when they break up, there is something they wanted to see. It's not that they don't love them, but it's a problem caused by different opinion. So it's better to live as a weekend couple. Fortune should not be judged by the concept of good or evil, because it's not individuality rather than good or bad. Sung-kyung on the right has a wide variety of energy flows. The win-win relationship is going well, with the green arrow at the center of herself. However, there is a conflict and controlling and pressing energy in the part that is separated from her. Collisions are not destructive. They are vital, and the energy that controls them makes the controlled energy much more utilized. This is why Sung-kyung's performance crossed models and actors. She played a lot of free-spirited roles in the past, so his image is slightly free-spirited. She follows her mother and senior's advice very well and has a very natural energy in self-expression. And in this exemplary appearance, the shift of thought has a very rapid genius. And she is good at writing, but I couldn't see the real spouse's letter in her fortune. So I only analyzed her feelings for her spouse. She is very nice to her spouse. Their fortunes are unique like this, but they don't have letters about their real spouses, or its energy is weak. Therefore, if they work hard in the field of recognition and make love as a couple while living their own lives, there seems to be room for longer. I don't know about their real relationship, but if they become a couple, they can make a love story like that. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.